Hi, I'm Tim Clarke, Chartered Building Surveyor and Managing Director of Clarke Chartered Surveyors. Today, we'll be taking a look at what a Level 2 survey is. A Level 2 survey is an inspection and report carried out on a residential property to assess its condition pre-purchase. Its purpose is to give you a snapshot of the property on the day of inspection. If you've bought a property before, you may have been familiar with a home buyer report. Well, that's what a Level 2 survey is under a different name. A Level 2 survey is suitable for unmodified properties constructed in the last 100 years or so, and in apparently reasonably good condition. We can complete Level 2 surveys on homes with simple extensions, but not those with more complex modifications or multiple extensions, as these types of buildings typically require greater detail that can only be offered in a Level 3 survey. While we're on this subject, we're sometimes asked to provide a cost for a Level 1 survey. My advice would be to forget it. It gives such a small amount of detail, I don't know why it even exists. Ideally, you should arrange to have your Level 2 survey report completed soon after your offer has been accepted. This gives you the opportunity to consider any defects that are found prior to committing to purchase, and if necessary, obtain additional information or tests. You'll want this information as early in the buying process as possible to limit your spend on legal fees until you know this is truly the right property for you. A Level 2 survey involves a non-intrusive visual inspection of the property. We will provide some commentary on the condition of the property and will note down any defects we find, giving you some ideas on how to remedy these defects. We will also inspect the services from a building surveyor's perspective and give you a bit of commentary on these, along with necessary maintenance advice and a summary of any salient issues for your legal advisors. As this is a non-intrusive survey, we aren't able to look at inaccessible areas of the property. So, for instance, if some areas are blocked by heavy vendors' belongings or are concealed behind hatches or underground, we won't be able to look at these. We will of course use our experience and expertise throughout the inspection, so it's rare that not being able to see absolutely everything is an impediment to the provision of great advice. We also do not inspect or test kitchen appliances, as we're not experts in these. We won't complete formal testing of services, but we'll make comments if there is evident disrepair, and we might recommend further investigation. Buying a property is often a good trigger to have services properly inspected to ensure that they will be safe for you to use. Unlike in a Level 3 survey, we do not include cost estimates for remedial work within a Level 2 survey. You may be tempted to ask your mate who's a builder to have a look around to make sure everything's okay. Well, there's nothing really stopping this from happening. Builders are not qualified or experienced to thoroughly inspect buildings, and almost certainly won't be giving insurance-backed advice. The cost of a Level 2 survey varies greatly. This can depend on a number of factors, from the size of the property, the type of construction of the property, and its location. So give us a call to find out a bit more about specific costs. At the time of filming, Level 2 surveys started at around £660 including VAT, rising to more than £1,500 for larger, more complex properties. When comparing survey costs, don't forget to also compare surveyors' experience and qualifications. Oh, and make sure VAT is included in the fee that you've been quoted. We're not always the cheapest, but we do have a reputation for providing pragmatic, real-world advice and a high level of detail. We will be happy to provide you with a detailed, no-obligation quotation. To arrange a Level 2 survey, you can call Clarke Chartered Surveyors. Let us know what the address of the property is. We'll do a bit of research our end to make sure we're recommending the right survey type for you. Once we're instructed, we will arrange the inspection with the estate agent, confirming our inspection date to you. Normally, you'll receive your report within about a week of your survey. If you think a Level 2 survey is right for you, or you're not quite sure, our friendly team can be reached on 020 8153 1233, and we look forward to discussing your survey requirements with you.